What's going on, guys? Got another Fit Lifestyle box. Y'all already saw the other video, so I don't need to go into a lot of detail. So let's get into this bad boy. What's going to be the easiest way to do this? Alright, so first thing we got this pretty badass, pretty patriotic USA lifting shirt. I like it. Y'all, so I gotta be real with you. I already ate this protein cookie because I was starving and I'm a peanut butter cup fiend. This is a peanut butter protein cookie and it was soft baked and everything delicious that you love about cookies. Gluten-free, non-GMO, 13 grams of fiber, 16 grams of protein. Oh yeah. These guys I'm looking forward to trying too. Apples, blueberries, dark chocolate, or apples, coconut, and dark chocolate. That's it. Awesome. And from Garden of Life, we've got a protein bar. This is a high protein weight loss bar. USDA, non-GMO, 14 grams of prebiotic fiber, only 1 gram of sugar. Hell yeah. Then of course, what good 4th of July holiday wouldn't be complete without some red, white, and boom! Pre-workout. I'm actually about to go to the gym after recording this video, so I'm going to try this. I'll let you all know firsthand how this is. I'm looking forward to this actually. It's by Miracle Labs. How can you not like something called Miracle Labs? Alright guys, thanks again for watching these videos. I know they're kind of quick. Hit up FitLifestyleBox if you haven't already subscribed, and then contact them. Tell them, hey, I'm a big fan of BeckFit. Give me a discount code. I don't know if it'll work, but you can try. Alright y'all.